Dear teachers, welcome to today's thinking class activity. It's a simple task, but with powerful results. Step 1. Go to the board. Or on worksheet, draw 2 simple circles. Step 2. Now say to your students, you have 20 minutes. Use your imagination, and turn these 2 circles into something creative. You can draw inside the circles, outside the circles, or even connect them. Be original, and don't forget to color your drawings. Step 3. Once students finish their drawing, ask them to answer 2 questions below. Number 1, what did you draw? Number 2, how did the idea come to your mind? These questions help students reflect and understand their creative process. This simple activity opens big doors to imagination and confidence. Thank you for being part of IlmneX, where learning begins with thinking.